Nayo ni otokwira na ase kaunti ya Kisii awase budget ya shilingi bilioni 13.53 yabereke gosoka se obokorerwa magendero ase kaunti ya Kisii. Budget yeyo nigo yabake gosomwa ritkoria rero ase aba MCA kurwase county assembly ya Kisii baba gusanga ebirengerere byabo kubwatikana nari baganitie abega kurigererwa ase obuimikigima nigo chipese echo chirachi gotumeka asa magendero ye chiwodi nabayiga magendero ande ayo arengete emiroberio ya serikali ye county ya Kisii. Ndemo Stephen na Manke.
Magega yo muroberi bokorosi kugwe budget ya county ya Kisii kubwate mochoko bwensi oganeiri rero nige budget yo yaikigwa se bunge ya county abwasaba jumbe bechi ward basange bengeri byabo igore budget yo ya bilioni 13 no gutaisano na isato.
Mr. Speaker, I'm seeking an extension. Until, Mr. Speaker, we finish the business which was in the Gusii notes, Mr. Speaker. And I ask Honorable Ndizi to second, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Just interrogate with your budget and start operations. Before I move to the next level, let me invite the chair budget to make one remark.
Gati ya mangana kwanerwa mono nali arengete gosangeria kwebango ime ya Kisii ase gati ya aba MCA bagane kerengo gokinigwa korwakeria kebekire kya milioni 550.
Personally, I thought we were doing good in terms of on-source revenue because we know the more we collect, then we'll be able to increase our equitable share, Mr. Speaker.
Tuabera abiri tuko twari challenge yo kusangiriria bange yase musongo yetu lakini bona igango chikobeka tari measures in place mwaziri no arege ganko batebyale elinde tukoranga chibese chitwa chikereire nende twetanire asengencho a potential Kisii county ebwate according to the auditor's report we arenge 1.2 billion lakini into konyara gwikirania asengencho tobwate obuyibwe chibese chi nende asengencho system itaraba in place irengia igo tuko chikobeka system yeye ntoi tie target yetu nende gwetania
aba MCA mbasingera se chibili cha banyakonda chitarakanirwa konyara kurigererigwa gwetera e budget eyo.
And I'd like to inform the House that His Excellency the Governor had a committee that was to investigate on pending bills, and there were eligible pending bills and ineligible pending bills. The eligible pending bills were captured in the supplemental budget, and I'm sure they are going to be paid within this financial year.
Aba waziri be county ensemo yabo mbasabu kwenekie budget yegwetigwa nkonyarere kubwatigwa keboikiranu.
The police officers, most of them are sleeping on their job. And Mr. Speaker, as we talk in this assembly, before I'm taken home, Mr. Speaker, by the good people of Bank Central who gave me the position, Mr. Speaker, some of us will go. We are not threatening them, Mr. Speaker, but we kindly ask in a good respect that this budget must be implemented 100%. Before I'm taken home, Mr. Speaker, by the good people of Bank Central who gave me the position, Mr. Speaker, some of us will go. We are not threatening them, Mr. Speaker, but we kindly ask in a good respect that this budget must be implemented 100%.
E budget yo mwako yonerera chikoene kichiwodi chonse 45 chia Kisii chianyorire obokoreri bwe serikali ye county.
You say aye. As many of the contribution say nay. They have it. Next order.
Magega ye budget ye county ya Kisii konyara goikigwa sama gachwe bunge ya Kisii konyara kurigererigwa sobo imena gwetigu naba MCA bechiwode 45 chia county ya Kisii nigo bonekikira bwati no gwikira nigo kwa magani ye budget ye wetera chiwizara au che serikali ye county ya Kisii chikora au ne chi county executive committee members ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa sama gachwe bunge ya Kisii erietariane Ndemo Stephen.